It's kind of heavy.
You're starting higher up.
Well, that's what you do.
Lean down a little bit.
If I lean over with something heavy, I will fall. This one's a little heavier.
What?
It's already opening.
Oh my God. Hang on, is it heavy?
No.
They're not even giving me a warning anymore. I have to just guess.
It's big, but it's not too heavy. You ready?
I have no idea if I'm ready or not anymore. God, you don't even, that's not even a 1, 2, 3 or nothing.
Get away from the door. Hey, we've got you on video.